Welcome to AutoPulse Media, your go-to channel for all things automotive tech, innovation, and drone developments. Today we're diving into an exciting and futuristic project, the 2025 Renkei Mujinki, Japan's cutting-edge collaborative unmanned aerial vehicle designed to support next-generation fighter jets. Here's your YouTube-style review script, around 700 words, no headings or quotes. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're exploring the exciting world of the 2025 Renkei Mujinki, Japan's advanced unmanned aerial vehicle engineered to link up with and support next-generation fighters like the GCAP jets. Developed by Subaru under a contract with ATLA that began back in 2019, the Renkei Mujinki has now completed its experimental design, manufacturing, and flight testing phases, and has been delivered to ATLA for evaluation. So let's break down what makes this UAV so compelling in terms of specs, capabilities, and future potential. First up, the purpose and concept. The Renkei Mujinki, which translates roughly to cooperative unmanned aircraft, is conceptualized to accompany and augment sixth-generation fighter aircraft like the Global Combat Air Program (GCAP) jets. Think of it as a trusted wingman, able to take on reconnaissance, sensor extension, electronic warfare, or even jamming tasks, to lighten the load on the manned aircraft. While detailed specifications remain under wraps, we can make some educated assumptions based on its mission profile. It is likely designed with stealthy or low observability features befitting next-generation air combat. It might harness advanced sensor payloads, carry electronic warfare modules, or even deliver stand-in decoys. Endurance is probably decent enough to keep pace with fighters over extended sortie durations. Integration with fighter avionics and communication systems is also a must. Seamless data sharing, possibly AI-driven coordination, and in-flight adaptability are key traits in these collaborative drones. On the performance side, Subaru's program seems to have progressed impressively, delivering a flight-tested prototype capable of real evaluation by ATLA. That suggests lessons learned around aerodynamics, control systems, and perhaps even autonomy were successfully addressed. The fact that ATLA is now evaluating it means there's high confidence in its airworthiness and mission-relevant functionality. Now for some speculation that you can weave into the review environment. Probably a stealthy low-radar cross-section airframe, maybe with sensor packs for multi-role. Autonomy could vary, from semi-autonomous follow-me modes to fully unmanned tactical behaviors. Data links, secure networked communications, supersonic capability. Hard to say. But given the ambition, those are possible avenues for development. Let's talk strengths. The Renkei Mujinki aligns with global defense trends embracing loyal wingman UAVs to augment manned fighters. It offers greater flexibility, risk mitigation, and force multiplication. The experimental prototyping and flight testing by Subaru signal a serious investment in UAS technology. And ATLA's ongoing evaluation shows Japan is ready to push this toward operational status. What might be weaknesses or questions? As a prototype, we don't know its actual performance metrics, flight endurance, payload capacity, speed, stealth grades. Its integration with GCAP jets is not finalized. Potential challenges include complexity of autonomy, costs, regulatory hurdles, and ensuring secure comms in contested environments. Looking ahead, this UAV could evolve into multi-role variants, giving Japan indigenous loyal wingmen for strike, EU, ISR, or even kamikaze drones. High levels of autonomy and AI teaming, plus mass production, could elevate its utility across allied and export scenarios. That's the lowdown on the 2025 Renkei Mujinki, Japan's experimental UAV designed to work alongside next-gen fighter jets. We're watching closely to see how it develops through ATLA's evaluation and whether it becomes an operational element of Japan's air combat strategy. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more deep dives into cutting-edge drone tech, defense aviation, or automotive innovations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and ring the bell to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Remember to end with that friendly reminder. Subscribe at the ending, and channel intro at the start, as you wanted. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks, maybe more on autonomous features or comparison with other loyal wingman programs.